we're taking that camera out. See that? It's eyeballing me, so I have to take it out. So there's a trap door right here. Look, no tools required. That you have to get out. Then you have to get these guys out. Turn this. And turn that one. That's what we're doing. Look how long this is for no reason. There's one. Come on, puppy. This is 2. 7 mils preloaded. And we're going to take it out. And it loses on the ground. Now, let's see which one is first. Left side first, or look at this. Gotta love the Americans. Let's get this off with 2 hands. You were not going to do that with 1 hand. There's a little clip right here, a little guide right there, and then clip, 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 clip. Since they're American, they love to break. So you gotta be careful when you pull. There you go. Now, let's get the rest of this thing off. This puppy popped straight out. I just grabbed it and pulled. This is a lock. Focus, focus, focus. This puppy pops out so you can squeeze. So let's do that with both hands. Or with a tool like this, because it's American. It doesn't want to play nice. Nor is my phone. Come on. Focus. You see? Pull this puppy up and you squeeze. And it pops out. Now, let's get the rest of the puppy out. So this is when I wish I had a cameraman. See that? This is absolutely American. The struggle I went through to get these guys out, because these clips are one of the worst. And this was probably one of the worst panels I've pulled out. Look, the metal actually bends before the clips give out. I mean, luckily it was salvageable. You see, none of them broke, but that's because I used something like this to get behind most of the panel. Especially here, I came in this way. And this one, I came in this way. This one pops outward towards you. So you see it comes outward. 1, 2, there. Look at this. One of the worst, but luckily I did my best, slowly but surely and firmly pulled all them out. This one, I gotta get out. I'm sure, oh, there it is. This is what happens. They bend outward, so this wins over the plastic. So luckily the plastic's still intact. So let's get this guy out, and I'm gonna show you with this puppy. You wanna get this puppy out, and I'm gonna show you how to fix this thing, because this is very, very common of the Americans. Oh, see that? Oh, did you even catch that? No, look at this. It even bent in there. Where'd that thing go? I'll show you how to fix this thing, because you need something like this to fix it. Found it. Stupid varmint. So now you see, it's got stupid teeth, bend outward. Well, they're supposed to go inward. Let me show you. You use something like this, hold it firmly, and take this and push the teeth back forward. Let me show you what I mean. You grasping that? That's how it's supposed to be. See how these are still sitting outward towards you like a set of vampire teeth? Well, you got to push these back. And that's what I did, like this. Push them back. Can't do it with one hand. No way. So whatever it takes to push this thing back. You could even use something like this. Right? Grab hold of it this way. See? Whatever pulls these guys back down. You ain't doing this by hand, no way. You're gonna end up hurting yourself. You probably could, let's see. No, I wouldn't do it. You see? Now they're all facing forward. So when you put it back on the panel, so you see, now this puppy goes on this way. So it sits back on. There was no way you were doing that before. So you have two 8mm, one there, a clip and a harness, again with the safety, and you squeeze the upper one and pull this puppy out. There you go. There's one plug, and here's the camera, which looks to be a twisty. So let's see. Is it a twist? No. Looks like a safety clip as usual. So pull the red out. Of course, you can't do it with your finger. Why would you want to go do that? I mean, of course we need tools. So all the links are there, and just remember to say thanks and I saved you a lot of money, and just click on that and say, here's $1. Got you $1. So pull the red security clip out, and you'll hear it click actually. And then you see another clip right there at the end of my finger right there. You gotta push that guy in. Let me grab this and show you. So there's a clip right there. And instead of this coming out, this comes out. That comes out. Isn't that nice? You see? Plugs in. Okay, now this clip out, this clip out. Let's get these 8mm out. If you just crack them, you can do the rest by hand. Don't lose them, yeah. Easy. One, and you can figure out how to do the other one, right? Crack it by hand. There you go. Now we have it in our hands. So let's get this puppy out. I'm assuming that you have to squeeze this, but let's go on the other side so we can catch it. There she goes. Tab, tab, more tabs, and 2 more tabs. Actually, isn't that bad. Just gotta make sure you squeeze them. Part number, maybe it's that. Not sure. Don't know. Part number, not sure. But there you have it. So, let's show you how to get over here. Put it back in. There you go. Snaps in. There you go. Alright, you ready for this? This wonderful clip. Whee! Giving you a headache, huh? Getting you dizzy? See? Plugs in. There you go. Same with this. Plugs in. There you go. Make sure you put the safety clip back in. Put the 8mm back in. And push this stupid thing. And I'm going to show you when I'm done. When you're done putting it up. I'll chop it up, but there you have it. Line them back up. I'm going to show you the end result, and luckily you didn't hurt yourself. Surprisingly, they actually all lined up for an American vehicle. So push them back up. Make sure to get back in. Make sure, for whatever reason, you don't want to do that again. So, look at this. My hands are dirty now. Now they're clean. So, put it back the way you found it. Just like this. Snap it back in and push this guy back up. And I'm going to say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.